Hello, my good friends. Welcome to Pinterest class. My name is Job Jerem, and I'm going to take you through plant life, primary for science. Hey, before we continue, I request you to subscribe, to share, to like, so that we can learn together. Today we have to look at the types of plants. Yes, types of plants. I know this is a common topic everywhere, especially it is the first topic in primary 4. I know you have seen many plants even on your way when you're coming from home to school, or even when you're coming back from school to home, or even when you're walking, you will see plants, isn't it? So they are part of us. That's why we have to study about them. Now, plants are divided into two. We have the flowering plants and the non-flowering plants. Non-flowering plants and the flowering plants. Now let's start with the non-flowering plants. Non-flowering plants are the plants which do not produce flowers. Those plants which you will never see any flower on them. Yes, those are known as the non-flowering plants. Like the way we're going to see the examples. Now, most of these things are actually in your places, but you don't observe them. Most of you don't know these things because you do not give them attention. Like the ferns there. I know most of you don't know ferns, but they are actually at home. The mosses, the horsetails, yes, the liverworts, the conifers, the pines, and even that tree of the eucalyptus. You normally see them, but you don't give them attention. Now, I want you to observe them whenever you're outside. Observe those plants. You will never find any flower on them. Not at all. Okay. Now, let's go to the flowering plants. Now, the reason why they're called flowering plants, it's because they produce flowers. And you're going to be surprised that there are some plants which you don't think that they produce flowers, yet they produce flowers. Because you don't give them attention. If you start giving them attention, you realize that actually these plants produce flowers. So that's why they're called flowering plants. Let's look at the examples. The first one is a mango. Mangoes have flowers. Someone is surprised. No, mangoes have flowers. Then you have maize. Yeah, before you just enjoy eating. Then you have pawpaws. Even the pawpaws have flowers. Peas, the peas, that legume which you like so much, it has flowers. Coffee. Hey, look at this one. Coffee has flowers. Cotton has flowers, my dears. Now this one, I know most of you are going to be surprised. Oranges have got flowers. Actually, let me tell you this. There's no way those fruits would come out without flowers. Because flowers help them to come out. I know most of you actually most of us have never seen grapes, but they are there. Even grapes have got flowers. Oh, the jackfruit has flowers. You see those yellow flowers there on the jackfruit? Yes, the jackfruit has got flowers. I know most of you just enjoy the jackfruit, but you don't even bother to check on its flowers. And then the last one, acacia. In Kampala here we have a mall known as Acacia Mall. Most of you like going there. Hey, I'm going to Acacia Mall. For those who are not in Kampala, we are sorry. Okay, but I know you also have your own malls there outside. Anyway, so acacia is a tree and it's a plant actually. Most people I know you thought that acacia is just a mall. No, it's a plant and it has got flowers, so it means it's a flowering plant. Yeah. Now the last part which you're going to have is the structure of a flowering plant. And now a flowering plant has got majorly two systems. We shall look at the systems later, but for now I want you to look at the structure. You look at the different parts of a flowering plant, so that when we come back to look at a flowering plant in details, you already know and have an idea about it. So I want you to take your time and look at that flowering plant there on your screen. But for now, I want to wish you the best, and I hope that you call upon your friends to learn together, so that we perform better and even get to know the things easily and even enjoying them. I wish you the best, and for now I say bye bye.